cashirkeena sideedaad ee maadada physics-ka wuxuu ka bilaabanaya ku saabsan yahay waxaan isbarbar dhigaynaa kinematic equations of rotational and translational motion socodka gudba ayaa baynu isbarbar dhigaynaa linear motion with the constant acceleration socodka xariiqa toosan isleegyada toosan waa final velocity equal to initial velocity plus times acceleration times change of the t halka kana angular motion kana uu ka yahay omega final is equal to angular velocity wuxuu la mid yahay initial angular velocity plus change of the acceleration plus the acceleration times change of the t. Average velocity wuxuu la mid yahay final velocity plus initial velocity divided by 2. sidaas leeg kana wuxuu la mid yahay final angular velocity plus initial angular velocity divided by the 2. labada socod oo la isu geeyay oo loo qaybiyay laba unbuu la mid yahay mid waliba kalena uu la mid yahay. Next, change of the displacement waxa uu la mid tahay final velocity plus initial divided by times t. waxa oo lagu dhuftay t ma la mid tahay ama total displacement baad oran kartaa ama change of the t labadaba waa la oran karaa. marka waxay la mid tahay waa change of the t waxay la mid tahay velocity is equal to total displacement divided by the t. تقاني كريس كروس t and s is equal to average velocity times t. كانوا بالو قيبية لقد دقى final plus initial divided by the 2 times change of the t. مكا دقان تاي I think you get the point. It is clear. Practice it. Final velocity plus initial times change of the t. sidaas leeg angular velocity and initial final plus initial divided by 2 times change of the t. All this equations there is a function of the time, but this and this two equations there is a missing of the acceleration. waxa halkan akrar meesha kuma jiro. Now the total displacement when again the time is functioned, the acceleration is functioned. Therefore, change of the total displacement and change of the t wuxuu la mid yahay initial velocity times t plus half a t squared. halkana the angular is equal to omega naught times t plus half acceleration times t squared. Here there is the time is functioned, the acceleration is functioned, the final velocity is not functioned here. There is no final velocity need here. This equation, the last equation is final velocity square is equal to initial square plus 2as. Here, the displacement is functioned and the acceleration is functioned. Initial, the time is not functioned here. This is the similar also. The angular velocity square is equal to initial square plus 2 alpha times theta. This both two equations for the linear and the angular motion, and the equations they are the same and the quantity they are the same, but the difference is a path of the body walaxdu wadada ay marayso ay ku kala duwan yihiin, and the terminology and the symbols bay ku kala duwan yihiin, magaca iyo sumada bay ku kala duwan yihiin, but the concept for the calculation they are the same. Example, a wheel has a radius of 20. wheel ba gacanki dhexreerkiisu yahay gacankiisu yahay baan u jeedaa 30 cm and accelerates ku karay from rest barta nagaasha to